Well, some more things from my daughter's garage stash. As you can see, we have some beautiful pumpkins that she got at Target on a $3 deal. Are you going to paint these, Debbie, or what are you going to do with them?
I'm going to paint them.
So that's another DIY project put together by my awesome daughter. And then we have some really pretty, a little closer if I can get a better picture together, potion bottles. Are they not beautiful? And then some pumpkins behind that, and a little pumpkin to put a little light in. And this is a Halloween candle back here.
Bring it closer.
Yeah.
You can see it's got all the little candy.
Candy corn shaking its way out. All the Halloween candy. Candy corns are my favorite. I'm sure my doctor doesn't like hearing that. And she made a bunch of candle holders. Right here's one.
I didn't make them, I bought them.
Oh, I take it back. She didn't make them, she bought them. And here's one with a little black cat. And here's is that a carrot or a candy corn?
It's a scarecrow.
Oh, it's a scarecrow. You see how much I know what I'm doing. And is that another scarecrow down here at the bottom? It's like a pickle jar almost with a face.
Looks funny. And then the little
Pretty
this
little
one has little bats on it.
little birdhouse. Isn't it cute? So cute. And then, of course, she's got this cute little ghost here. Isn't he cute?
And I'll move him out of the way so you can see the bucket.
And look at this beautiful Halloween bucket she got. I think it's beautiful. Love the bats and the black cats and all the orange and black, not black, orange and green stars jumping all around. And then, of course, she got some cute cloth pumpkins and a beautiful pumpkin pillow and this beautiful witch's hat. You can see
Kind
it.
of old.
Doesn't matter.
Used to wear it for Halloween. If I didn't want to wear a costume, I just wore that. That was my costume.
That's a very good idea. And here's a beautiful tablecloth that she already had, two for Halloween. And Halloween lights, and they're orange. And these she stole from my grandchild. Look at these.
My son left them behind when he left.
So, they are so cute. And if nobody knows about my grandson, he loves skateboarding. And that's why they're on skateboards. This was what he really loved. And how old is he now, 30?
Yeah, he's 30.
He's 30 and still loves it. He's managed to break his arm twice, didn't he?
Yep.
Yep. So I'm sure his employer would like for him to stop skateboarding. And already his back is starting to bother him and his knees. I bet you Grandma's in better shape than he is. So keep that in mind, all you young guys that like to skateboard. Beware of what it does to your body. Well, this is the end of the stash for today. Hugs and kisses from Grandma Sandy. Love you all. Take care, my awesome friend. And Debbie said bye too. Say it louder.
Bye.
Okay, see you later, guys.